Our van recently hit 100,000 miles. Our sweet van has taken us to mountain biking trails in the absolute heat of the south of France, to the coldest waves you can imagine crashing onto your head in the north of Scotland. Begging for misery, we get lost in comparison, looking outside of me. This van is our first home, our first major achievement together, and our favourite place to be. Oh, I don't want to see us lose any more time. This moment is a mountain to move, so move it inside and wake up now. Wake up now. Wake up now. Wake up now. Okay, I need to stop or I'm gonna cry, oh my god. Okay, so I'm not exactly throwing a party for the van, it's more like a treat yourself day.
3 words for you. Treat yourself. Treat yourself 2011.
So let's get into it.
The best day of the year.
So one of the things that was really important to me when we hit 100,000 miles was going to get a service for the van, because our van came with like a full service history and it got serviced like every year. So I really wanted to keep that up and keep looking after it in the way that the previous people had. So we're gonna go get a little service. What's the like human equivalent of a van getting a service? We're taking the van to a gym spa day. And by the way, don't worry about the outfit. I'm dropping the van off in town and then running home. I want to be seen, I want to be safe, and you can't even see the pink leggings that are going on right now, but it's going on.
Excellent.
So we've had a new oil filter put in and a change of oil. Fabulous. It's quite expensive. All things with vans are bloody expensive. There's nothing like taking your car to the garage to realise how short your legs are. Next up on the treating the van agenda, we're going to nip to Halfords because I didn't tell you guys this, but I had a little accident in the van the other day. Nothing major at all, but I somehow managed to hit a tree off the wing mirror and it like snapped back into the van with such force that it actually cracked the glass. So I need to go and see if I can find a replacement for it.
The left one.
Yeah. So you guys obviously won't be able to tell if it'll be like coming back into your stocks or anything. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Thank you. Not me wearing a single-use mask. Ugh, minging. I don't know where my fabric one is. Don't wear single-use masks, kids. Anyway, Halfords doesn't have the part. That's so sad. They've got like the passenger side window, but not the driver's side. And he had a look on like just like Google for me to see if he could find it anywhere. And he was like, this part doesn't exist. Like I can't really find it anywhere. So I'm gonna get in touch with like the company that Halfords buys their mirrors from, and I might have to get one custom cut, which I don't fancy doing that because one, it'd be very expensive, and two, what a fucking pain in the ass. It's very late right now, so I don't want to talk too loud, but I've been scouring the internet and I fucking found probably the last driver's side Renomaster mirror in the world, and I'm gonna buy it. Now we just need to figure out how to install it. I stick it onto the broken glass, or is the broken glass supposed to come off first?
Why you always hate to break bread? Think about the way that you would feel if never said. Joke's on you, well it's time to come through. Well, if she had to choose me or her mom, I know I wouldn't last long, yeah. No problem with the truth. But when she made me laugh, doom doom right to my tune. All of it's not hard to be in a place where life is easy. Like, what the fuck is real? What the fuck is wrong? I think I can fit with your tone. Like, oh, I think about you. Better leave my body when the time it comes through. Loving on you till the time it comes through.
Can I give you a shard of advice? Don't ever break your fucking wing mirrors.
Why you always hate to break bread? Think about the way that you would feel if never said. Joke's on you, well it's time to come through. I'll show you the ropes, kid. Show you the ropes.
Have you smart?
I'm just cracked.
A bus and a trailer in my house,
Shut the Shut the up.
Show you the
Shut the fuck up.
About 15 cases for my house,
I just cracked in a glass.
All the furniture.
Well. And I was purposely going around slowly in each direction to not crack it.
I don't think it's as bad as it was before, but it is still a bit distorted. Do you want to put it back on the van?
I can't believe that. Yeah, I'll go put it back on. Ooh! Ooh! So annoyed. I can't believe I just cracked the fucking... Ah! Okay. Right. Breathe. Funny. It took so much work.
That's why it's funny. That's why it's funny.
Literally just, I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Thank you for 100,000 miles, van. And here's to 100,000 more. And from my family to yours, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and I'll see you all next week. Love you, bye!